Manufacturing today changes very fast, and we are talking about technologies, products, materials, and we are talking more in general about market demands. Business is changing very fast, and for this reason, a company should have a very prompt reaction. It's not easy. We are talking about flexibility, we are talking about efficiency, and timing is a very crucial factor. Technology provider, especially in laser for material processing, is to be your partner. It's not just a supplier, and you have to stay close to them in order to prove your application and to finalize your business. This is the only way to introduce a new technology in your manufacturing context, especially if you would like to get your right timing and your proper margin on your investment. Company invest in innovation to become more competitive, but in which way? They would like to be better in terms of cost, in terms of productivities, in terms of organization. Many times they would like to become just smarter in terms of efficiency, smarter in terms of flexibility. Let's start from the point of view of the application. Here we are in our advanced laser center, and we can explore together here how we can integrate the new laser solution in your manufacturing context. This is our Print Sharp 250. Sharp 250, this is our entry-level product for the powder bed fusion machines. For sure, this machine is the best price-quality ratio on the market, and it is a very good product for the company who would like to explore these technologies without investing a lot of money. By the way, I would like to show you better the feature of this machine, and we have here John. Hello, John.
Hello, Paolo.
I would like that you can explain the best features or the main features of this machine. Please tell us.
We're speaking about a very flexible machine. It has a laser of 500 watt, a preheating plate of that reaches up to 200 degrees, has a low maintenance cost, and we can easily change different materials if the user requires another job. We have developed an easy-to-use interface that allows the user to easily handle all the subsystems. And finally, we have integrated all the safety aspects that are needed in order for the user to not come in contact with the powder. We are talking about the glove box and the plug-in for the vacuum cleaner.
Oh, so this machine could be installed, I think, in a very fast way. How much time you need to install to integrate this machine in a customer line?
Yes, it is true. We just need 3 days to install, and the machine then is ready to start.
Just 3 days to install the machine and to start with the production?
Exactly.
Wow. And then, do you have any success story about that?
Of course. We have a supplier that is Elena Spa. It's a company that is our supplier for the laser head. But with the client, we have developed a new laser head for direct deposition.
So he's a supplier, but he becomes a client for the machine.
Exactly.
Now I understand.
And with them, we have optimized this new laser head for direct deposition, and we have integrated parts that are made with powder bed. Complex part that can be made only with powder bed machines.
So you optimize practically your final head by using this technology, and the customer invests in this machine.
Exactly, and particularly this machine.
Good win-win scheme.
Yes, I think so.
Good job. Thank you, John.
Thank you, Paul.